Shop smarter with BrainyBuyer.com and support smarter by subscribing. Your click means more unbiased tests, clearer charts, and fewer decision headaches. So I'm looking at these two gas grills, the Weber Traveler and the Nexgrill Deluxe 2-burner. What do you think?
Okay, yeah, I see them. Right off the bat, the Weber Traveler is listed at $449, while the Nexgrill is much cheaper at around $265. That's a pretty big difference, huh?
Definitely. But is it worth the extra money? The Weber is described as portable, and I like that.
True. The Weber weighs only 32 pounds, and its dimensions are smaller when folded. The Nexgrill is a hefty 70 pounds. The Weber seems easier to move around, especially if you're taking it places. And it has that cool one-handed setup.
Good point. What about cooking space? I sometimes grill for a crowd.
The Weber fits about 15 burgers, while the Nexgrill boasts 401 square inches, which they say fits 8 to 10 hamburgers. So, Nexgrill might be a bit smaller, but not by much.
Okay. How about power? I want something that heats up quickly.
The Nexgrill puts out 28,000 BTUs with 2 burners, while the Weber is 12,000 BTUs with 1 burner. So, on paper, the Nexgrill should heat up faster and maybe even get hotter. Plus, it has porcelain-coated cast iron grates.
Interesting. Anything else that stands out?
The Nexgrill has foldable side tables, which is handy for prep space. It also can convert to natural gas. Both have stainless steel control panels, which is good for durability. The Weber only uses propane and has tool hooks.
So basically, the Weber is lighter and more portable, perfect for taking on trips. But the Nexgrill is more powerful, has a larger cooking area, and costs significantly less.
Yeah, that sums it up pretty well. The Weber has a higher rating overall, 4.6 vs 4.3, but it all boils down to what you need. Are you prioritizing portability above all else? Or do you want more bang for your buck with the Nexgrill? Maybe the Nexgrill is better if you are just grilling in your backyard.
Okay, thanks. That helps a lot. I'll have to think about it. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.